Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 day challenge. This is day 718, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, balance remains the same, no change in terms of equity balance wise. In terms of the market structure update across the board, we see a red bearish candlestick closing traditional financial market all across from S&P 500, Nasdaq, and also ASX K-Web. But bear in mind that all of them open higher, just they close on the global compared to the opening itself. So not necessarily a bad thing, especially for China equities, where we actually get up and maintain above the 50 simple moving average. So that's still a very good sign that we are seeing a very nice bounce off of that, which could definitely mean a much more strong bounce in the coming days or weeks ahead. And if you look at the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, we're definitely still range bound in a sense, consolidating very clearly. The question is which side will we break, towards the upside or towards the downside? That will be something that will be very interesting to look at it, because there is where volatility is likely to spike up in either direction itself. And then finally, for Bitcoin itself, they did form a very nice green bullish candlestick yesterday itself, but bear in mind, we are still lagging in terms of price action wise compared to the S&P 500 Nasdaq, being it below the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart itself. So that's something to take note of. So until we break above and stay above it, I still do think that the very first retest somewhat like this is likely to be rejective. But the question is how rejective it is will be a key sign of whether we will be able to break successfully on the second try, or perhaps potentially we could retrace it for potentially try to break it right above. So generally for support and resistances wise, the first and second term tend to be the most resistive or supportive, whereas the third to fourth term tend to be a lot less weak in that sense. Alright, otherwise that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to provide your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.